The Coral Beach Hotel is a place where guests have had a variety of experiences. Nestled close to the beach, the hotel offers stunning views that have been frequently praised by guests. The staff are often complimented for their friendliness and helpfulness. However, like any place, it has its drawbacks. Some guests found the food to be average, and there were complaints about the temperature of the food, particularly at breakfast. The decor and furnishings in the rooms were considered dated by some. Despite these points, many guests enjoyed their stay, appreciating the large portions and variety of food, as well as the evening shows for adults and children,